right, we have reached the end. I believe I have done all of the problems for you. So, problem 19, the last one, we are determining whether or not two lines are skew. The first thing I will note is that they are not parallel because their direction vectors are not scalar multiples of each other. So, all we need to do then is if they're not parallel, we need to determine whether they intersect or not. And if they intersect, they're not skew. If they don't intersect, they are skew. So I like to write them in their component or their parametric forms. X equals 1 plus 3 lambda, y equals 0 minus lambda, z equals 2 plus lambda. For the other one, x equals 2 plus mu, y equals 1 minus mu, z equals 1 plus mu. And then we just set them equal to each other and run down the list. So let's set our x's equal to each other, leaving us with 1 plus 3 lambda equals 2 plus mu. In other words, 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to mu. I just subtracted 2. And then if I set the y values equal to each other, I get 0 minus lambda equals 1 minus mu. And I can do a nice substitution right here for mu. So I get negative lambda equals 1 minus 3 lambda minus 1. That is negative lambda equals 1 minus 3 lambda plus 1. Adding 3 lambda gives me 2 lambda equals 2. Lambda equals 1. Slide that thing back up here to mu, which is 3 lambda minus 1. So if lambda equals 1, I guess that means mu equals 2. So now what we do is see if they actually intersect. So the x-coordinate was 1 plus 3 lambda, so that's 4. The y-coordinate is 0 minus lambda, that's negative 1. The z-coordinate is 2 plus lambda, that's 3. Now let's go down to our other point. The x-coordinate is 2 plus mu, that's 4. The y-coordinate is 1 minus mu, that's negative 1. Here's the moment of truth. The z-coordinate equals 1 plus mu, and that is 3. So it appears that these lines intersect at the point 4, negative 1, and 3. A good way to double check that work is to actually go back and look at your two equations and see if you can determine that they actually cross through that point. And it really does work. If you set lambda equal to 1, like we solved, you can see 1 plus 3, 0 minus 1, 2 plus 1. And if you go down to L2 and you set mu equal to 2, you can see that 2 plus 2 makes 4, 1 minus 2 makes negative 1, and 1 plus 2 makes 3. So we know that they intersect, so they are not skew. And that's it, folks. So I hope you have fun studying. Please be ready to go for the vector exam.